Check out our newest social post update. We now have reoccurring social posts. This feature is going to allow you to view reoccurring posts on the calendar, providing a comprehensive overview of your social media content schedule. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, this is going to help you stay organized. You're going to easily visualize and manage recurring social media posts directly from a calendar view. It's also going to save you time. This is going to streamline your social media planning process by quickly identifying when recurring posts are actually scheduled. It's also going to optimize your engagement. You're going to be able to better plan and coordinate posts to maximize your audience engagement and your reach. I absolutely am excited about this new feature. This is something that I have been waiting for, and I'm so excited it's finally here. Let's talk about a little bit of practical use. So first of all, your business can now schedule regular promotional posts for new arrivals or even sales events, ensuring a steady stream of engaging content to attract customers and boost sales. I'm going to take this a little bit farther and say that there are certain posts that are going to be awesome to reschedule on a regular basis, as well as content that is really value-driven content that maybe you want to reschedule posting every so many months just because it gets a lot of attention. This is a really great way to boost your social media presence on autopilot. And as you know, everything we do within the system is all about saving time, which helps you make more money and grow your business. Let me show you exactly where to locate this and how to utilize it. First of all, you need to create a new post. To do that, you're going to be under Marketing. Then you're going to want to make sure that you're under the Social Planner, and then you're going to click plus New Post. Now you're going to select plus Create New Post when you drop down into the drop-down menu. Now you're going to select the social media account or account, and you're going to just tick the boxes on where you want to post. From there, you're going to configure the post. You're going to post, and then now what you're going to see under post is schedule reoccurring post. Now you can select by day, week, month, or year, and how often you want to repeat that, as well as the post time and when your date range is. If you only want this to occur between this time and this time, let's say you have a special going all month, and so you want this to go out every week, maybe on a Sunday, this is going to allow you to actually stop that when that month is over. Now I'm going to have you either edit, clone, or delete. This is going to allow you to determine if you want to utilize that post again, if you want to delete it, what you'd like to actually do with it. So you're going to go to reoccurring posts, then you are going to go to the three-dot kebab, and you're going to choose either edit, clone, or delete. Now let's go ahead and access the Open Planner. So that is just simply the Open Planner icon that you're going to see as indicated on the screen. And from there, you're going to actually see those posts within the planning calendar. This new feature update is going to empower your business to effortlessly organize, schedule, and optimize your social media content, saving you time and driving engagement for your business. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.